Hi everyone, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and this one is called Sailor's Ruin by Anne Stokes. Okay, and it is a square because as you can see there's a square there and it's usually blue. Scan me and you get you unlock 10% off, and you have how it works step by step and what's inside the kit. So let's open this up, and in the meantime let me tell you a little bit about Anne Stokes. She is the designer or the artist. She's from England and she loves mystical and gothic and fantasy. She is best known for painting strong female characters and her portrayal of dragons and also fairies. She has posters, calendars, t-shirts, and of course diamond painting, and she's so cool. She also designs tour products for bands like Queen and the Rolling Stones. Yep. And she also designs for a very, very popular game called Dungeons and Dragons. Okay. So let's put that aside. All the paintings come with 2 stickers. This is the small one. You could put this in your logbook or underneath or under your box. So when you're looking for the painting, you know that this is Sailor's Ruin because you can see the sticker under the box. Okay. And it is a square, by the way. Okay, and this is the toolkit. Ooh, look at the cover minder, guys. Okay. So it comes with resealable bags. All the kits come with resealable bags. It comes with a tweezer, very, very sharp, by the way. It comes, look at this cover minder, adorable. It's a little teddy bear with a pineapple, holding a pineapple. Is that not cute? Oh my gosh, I love him. Okay, and then it comes with a diamond pen. It comes with 2 placers. It comes with a grip for the pen. It's supposed to help with your fingers. And it comes with washi. No, I keep saying washi. This is washi tape. It comes with wax in this very cute heart container. I believe there's 2 or 3 in here. Yeah, 2. Let's put that over there for now. And then it comes with this very pretty washi tape. Look at the flowers. I think it's going to go perfect with the painting, the colors. And of course the tray. Okay, like this is a stopper to prevent from the drills from spilling. All right. Okay, so they always come, the paintings always come in a plastic bag that says Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. It is to protect the painting while it's traveling. All right, let's pull this out. I keep the plastic for later. All the Diamond Art Club canvases are very, very smooth like butter, guys, and they're designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, they're made from heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have the drills. Put that aside, and we should have the sticker in here. Come on, come out. There you go. Okay, so it always comes with the thank you instructions for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit, tips and tricks, a VIP Facebook group, step-by-step instructions, and if you tap this, I guess, it says inspirations just a few taps away, 20% off with your first purchase through the app. So you have to download the app. Okay, and this is the sticker, guys. So Sailor's Ruin by Anne Stokes. Okay, wait, right there. It's gorgeous, guys. It's a square, and it comes with pre-cut individual stickers. So you put these in your containers. All right. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, in the bottom, you have always a picture. It tells you it's DAC, which is Diamond Art Club, AB Sailor's Ruin. It's 22 inches by 31 inches. And it's 55.8 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. It's by Anne Stokes, and it says Art Ask Agency, Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, it just gives you it tells you the information. Take 10% for your 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and on Instagram. And they also have a lifetime warranty. Okay, so it's like a 30-day money back guarantee. They have a free diamond spill insurance, of course, a lifetime warranty, and then the 10% cashback rewards with every order. Okay, so oh my gosh, look at the colors, blues and greens, which I love. And of course, I love mermaids. So let me just turn this way, because you can do this with this canvas. So I'm gonna roll it. Roll it, roll it. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so this beautiful painting. All right, so it has, always on the top, it tells you do what makes you sparkle. Oh, wait, let me move it down. Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And then it has two legends. One on, wait, move this over here. One on the, yeah, I can see the glare. One on the left-hand side on the top, okay? And another legend at the bottom of the right-hand side, okay? The legend basically helps you because it tells you how many colors it has. So that you look at it, it's got 47 colors, and then you got the symbols in the middle, and the symbols are what you're going to find in the painting, and the DMC is the color code. All right, now let us look at this beautiful painting, guys. So what do I love about this? Well, this is the way I see it. So this beautiful mermaid is swimming, right? And all of a sudden she comes upon, I don't know if you can see it, but down here she comes upon a sunken ship, okay? And then you see some sharks lurking, okay? Usually when you have a sunken ship, you're gonna find sharks, okay, swimming around. And it looks like she finds this skull, and whom she believes that it could be someone she once loved. And if you look at her, she looks very, very, very sad. Okay, that's the way I see it. I don't know. Anyway, so look at this beautiful, look at this. She's got beautiful hair that's just, it's like floating up. Wait, floating up. And then you see all the bubbles, and then you see the light coming, must be the sun coming in and shining through the water all the way down here. You can see the light coming all the way down here. And then look at this, look at her scales. My gosh. And look at that big tail, guys. Love it. And of course, I think these are fins that she has on her arms. Just beautiful. I love it. And of course, I love all the colors. All right, let's see how sticky she is. Super sticky. Let me bring her up a little bit so you can see how clear. I think that light, I don't know if that light's bothering the glare, but it's super clear, guys. Okay, those are her hands. And let's see if you can see her scales. Oh, this is not easy, guys. Okay. Look at that. Look at that tail. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I see the shark right there. And then the sunken ship. All right. So let's look at the drills. Now, the good thing about these drills, guys, is that the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. So it's excellent, which is very good. Anyway, they have a sticker, so it tells you that these drills are from the painting that's called Sailor's Ruin. All right, so I'm gonna open them up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I'm gonna tell you the number and the colors. I actually wrote down the colors so I can get them right this time. So 162 is blue. I think you can see it from there. No, right there. 310 is black. We have 2 bags of 310. 311 is considered Wedgwood. We've got 4 packets of Wedgwood. It's a very pretty blue. And 318 is considered Steel Gray. Very little of this one. 336 is Navy Blue. Navy Blue. Okay, very little of that one too. All right, 415 is considered Pearl Gray. Do we have more space? Oh yeah, we have space. 451 is considered Shell Gray Dark. $4.52 is considered Shell Gray Medium. And then we have 517, and 517 is Wedgwood, but dark. Very, very pretty. I love these Wedgwoods. Very pretty blues. Okay, and then 550 is Violet. Very little of Violet. 597 is Turquoise. Very little of that one too. 605 is considered Cranberry, very light. 645 is considered Beaver Gray, very dark. 646 is also Beaver Gray, but dark. So this one's dark and this is very dark. 754 is considered Peach Light. It's like a peach color, peachy color. 758 is considered Terracotta. Hopefully I'm hoping that I pronounced it correctly. It's pretty. 762, very little of 762, and this is considered Pearl Gray, very light. 794 is considered Cornflower Light. That's pretty, the cornflower. Okay, now we're going to the 800s. 800 is considered, wait, can't see it. Oh, blue, yeah, it's considered blue. Just like a very, very light blue. Okay, 803 is considered baby blue, but very dark. There's 4 of these, 4 bags of 803. 807, we have 3 bags of 807, and this one's Peacock Blue. Peacock Blue. 823, we have 2 bags, and 823 is Navy Blue Dark. 826 is blue, medium. 827, blue, just very light. And 828 is sky blue, very light. That's pretty. 823, no, I'm sorry, 838. 838. Did I write that down? I did not, but that looks like a brown to me. Okay. And 839 is considered beige brown. Beige brown. We have space here? Oh yeah. 844 is beaver gray, but ultra dark. And now we're going to the 9s. So the 9s, we have 939. We have 3 packets of 939, and this is considered navy blue, very dark. Lots of blues in this. If you love blues, this is the painting. 948, peach, very light. 959, and 959 is sea green. Sea green. Okay, now we're going to 3041, and this is considered antique violet. Very, very little of that one. And 3371, this is considered black brown. All right, so let's move on. Let's move these out of the way. $37.52 is antique blue, very light. $37.65 is peacock blue. That's pretty, very dark. And 37.66, we have 2 packets, and this is considered peacock blue, yeah, light. All right. This is 37.70, and this is considered 20. And 37.72, desert sand. Going a little faster. 38.10 is turquoise dark. 38.15 is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's some sort of green. Celadon? Green dark. And almost finished, guys. This one is 38.42, and we have 4 packets of 38.42, and this is considered Wedgwood, but very dark. And then we have 38.47, and this is considered teal green dark. Now these are all teal green. See, 38.48 is also teal green, and 38.49 teal green, but this is dark, medium, and light. And then this is the last one, 38.61, and this is cocoa. All right. So move those out of the way, all those beautiful blues. And now let's bring the ABs. There's 2 ABs, and the AB is 141, which is, looks like it's white. I'll bring it up so you can see it. Okay, that's white. And we have 2 of 120. Look at that pretty that blue is and shiny. Yes. Okay, so let's bring back the painting and let's find where the 2 ABs belong. All right, so if you look at the legend, it looks like number 1, which is this one, very little, not too much. Not too many, I mean, not too many. It looks like, well, let's see, look for 1. 1, 1, 1. Is it on her scale? Oh yeah. Okay, so it looks like 1 is on her scales, and a lot on her, also on her tail, on her beautiful big tail. Does she have any on her hair? Nope. She has some around here, number 1's here. Go right here, her neck. 1's actually coming down her arm. Any down here? That's it. And her tail. Okay, so that's going to look really pretty. And of course, look at this one. So this one is number 2. Wherever you see a number 2, and I am seeing the number 2 on sprinkled on the in the bubbles. On her arm. On her tail. Do we have any on her scales? No, it looks like it's on her tail. And some over here on this side, her tail. Right there, right there, right there. Okay, so would you add more ABs and where? All right, so that's about it, guys. I absolutely love her, and I don't know what's going on, but I did go online and I didn't see her, so I don't know if she was limited in a limited edition. So I don't know if they're gonna bring her back, but I just had to share it because I absolutely love her. All right, well, thank you very much and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.